Did you know there are over 80 million poorly insulated buildings in North America, and that most of these are over 30 years old? The operating costs of these buildings rise every year, and eventually, the only viable option will be to renovate or demolish these structures. Renovation is clearly the more sustainable choice, but is it possible to improve aesthetics, increase property value, meet building code requirements, and maximize energy efficiency with an attractive return on investment? It is, with Dryvit Outsulation Systems. What's outsulation? As the name suggests, it's a time-tested, proven way of cladding the exterior walls of your building, combining an air barrier, continuous insulation, and aesthetics. Insulation on the outside. Outsulation. Outsulation brings your building to life with minimal impact to the structure, interior space, and surrounding environment, and maximum impact to the curb appeal, property value, and energy cost. Outsulation provides a durable exterior, diverse finish options, higher property value, faster, less costly construction, and above all, lower energy bills. Outsulation, one material source, one independent contractor, one material warranty, one solution. Exterior renovation made simple and made sustainable. Outsulation systems are code approved and meet the requirement for continuous exterior insulation prescribed by the International Energy Conservation Code, the 2010 California Green Building Standards Code, and the new ASHRAE standard for high-performance green buildings. Using outsulation systems can also contribute significantly to LEED certification. Let's look at a typical success story. The owner of a landmark bank building in Dayton, Ohio, needed to renovate its leaking painted brick exterior. Traditional sandblasting and repair estimates were expensive, and the work would require closing the bank for days and would do nothing to improve the energy efficiency of the old masonry walls. With a Dryvit Outsulation system and custom brick finish, the contractor was able to restore the bank's original look and add energy efficiency without sandblasting or closing the bank. The overall cost? $85,000 lower than the original bid. In just 3.5 short weeks, the job was done and the bank regained its prominence as a local architectural gem. In fact, since 1969, Dryvit Outsulation systems have been installed on over 400,000 projects in renovation and new construction across North America. Added energy savings, sustainable solutions, all from a single source. Building green can cost less with Dryvit Outsulation systems. Let us cover you. Contact us directly for more information.